Hello and welcome to Verbora English. I am so excited to see you here today.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Mike.
And I am Sarah. We are here to help you speak English with confidence every single day.
Before we start, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This way, you will never miss our new videos.
And if you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Okay, Sarah, are you ready for today's topic?
I am very ready, Mike. Today we are going to talk about something we all experience every single day.
That's right. Today, we're learning how to talk about emotions in English, how to describe your feelings.
This is such an important topic. We feel things all the time, but sometimes it's hard to find the right words.
Exactly. Maybe you know the words happy or sad, but English has so many words for feelings. Today, we will learn them together.
And we will practice with real conversations. You can repeat after us at home.
Let's begin with a simple question. Sarah, how are you feeling today?
That's a great question, Mike. Right now, I am feeling very happy. I am happy because I get to teach English with you.
That makes me happy too. I am also feeling a little bit excited about this lesson.
See, we just used two emotions, happy and excited. Let's start learning more.
Perfect. Let's begin with the most basic emotions. Every human feels these.
The first emotion is happy. This is a positive feeling. You feel good inside. You might smile.
When do you feel happy, Sarah?
I feel happy when I eat ice cream. I feel happy when I see my friends. I feel happy on sunny days. What about you, Mike?
I feel happy when I listen to music. I feel happy when I finish my work. And I feel happy when I learn something new.
Beautiful examples. Now let's learn other ways to say happy.
Yes, because English has many words for happy. You can say glad. I am glad to meet you.
You can say pleased. I am pleased with my test results.
Or cheerful. She is a very cheerful person.
And there is joyful. The children were joyful at the party.
All of these words mean happy, but they have small differences. Glad is often used for specific moments. Cheerful describes a personality.
Great explanation. Now, what is the opposite of happy?
The opposite is sad. When you feel sad, you feel down. You might want to cry.
When do you feel sad, Mike?
I feel sad when my favorite sports team loses. I feel sad when a good movie ends. And I feel sad when I miss my family.
Those are very normal reasons to feel sad. Everyone feels sad sometimes.
Other words for sad include unhappy. She looked unhappy at the meeting.
And down. I feel a little down today. This is casual and common.
There is also miserable. This is very sad. The weather was cold and I felt miserable.
And heartbroken. This is extremely sad, usually about love. He was heartbroken after they broke up.
The next basic emotion is angry. When you are angry, you feel hot inside. You might want to shout.
What makes you angry, Mike?
I feel angry when people are not honest. I feel angry when someone is rude. And I feel angry when I am stuck in traffic.
Traffic makes many people angry. Other words for angry are mad. This is very common in American English. My mom was mad at me.
And furious. This is very, very angry. The boss was furious about the mistake.
There's also irritated. This is a small anger. I was irritated by the loud noise.
And upset. This is interesting because upset can mean angry or sad or both.
Yes. I was upset when you didn't call me. This could be sad or angry or both.
The fourth basic emotion is scared. When you are scared, you feel fear. Your heart beats fast.
What are you scared of, Mike?
I am scared of snakes. I am scared of very high places. And honestly, I am scared of speaking in front of many people.
Many people are scared of public speaking. You are not alone. Other words for scared are afraid. She is afraid of the dark.
And frightened. The loud thunder frightened the children.
There is also terrified. This is extremely scared. I was terrified during the horror movie.
So we have happy, sad, angry, and scared. These are our 4 basic emotions. Everything else is connected to these.
Now let's learn more emotions that you will use every day.
Let's start with nervous. Nervous is when you worry about something that will happen soon. Your stomach might feel strange.
When do you feel nervous, Mike?
I feel nervous before a job interview. I feel nervous before I take a test. I feel nervous when I meet new people.
Those are perfect examples. I feel nervous before I give a presentation at work.
Similar to nervous is anxious. Anxious is a stronger, longer feeling of worry. It's hard to relax.
I feel anxious when I have many things to do and not enough time.
Next is excited. This is a happy, energetic feeling about the future. You can't wait for something.
I love feeling excited. I feel excited before a vacation. I feel excited before my birthday. I feel excited when I'm meeting an old friend.
I feel excited before a good meal at my favorite restaurant.
Now let's talk about tired. This is when your body or mind has no energy.
I feel tired after a long day at work. I feel tired when I don't sleep well.
A stronger word is exhausted. This means extremely tired. After running 10 kilometers, I was exhausted.
Another feeling is bored. When you are bored, nothing is interesting. Time moves slowly.
I feel bored when I wait in long lines. I feel bored in meetings that go on and on.
The opposite of bored is interested or curious.
Yes, curious means you want to know more about something. I am curious about other countries.
I am curious about how things work. I always ask questions.
Now let's learn some more complex emotions. These are very useful.
The first one is frustrated. This is when you try to do something, but you cannot do it. You feel stuck.
When do you feel frustrated, Mike?
I feel frustrated when my computer is very slow. I feel frustrated when I can't find my keys. I feel frustrated when I try to fix something and it doesn't work.
I feel frustrated when I'm learning something new and it's very difficult. Frustrated is like a mix of angry and tired. Next is disappointed. You feel disappointed when something you expected or wanted doesn't happen.
Give me an example, Sarah.
I feel disappointed when a movie I wanted to see is not good. I feel disappointed when my favorite restaurant is closed. I feel disappointed when a friend cancels our plans.
Good examples. Disappointed is a kind of sad feeling, but it's specifically about expectations.
Another emotion is embarrassed. This is when you do something silly or make a mistake in front of other people.
Oh, I know this feeling well. Your face gets red and hot.
When did you feel embarrassed, Mike?
I felt embarrassed when I called my teacher the wrong name. I felt embarrassed when I tripped and fell in the street. I felt embarrassed when I had food on my face and nobody told me.
Ha! Those are so relatable. Everyone has embarrassing moments.
Another important emotion is proud. You feel proud when you or someone you love does something good.
I feel proud of my sister because she graduated from university. I feel proud of myself when I finish a difficult project.
I feel proud when my students speak English well.
That's so nice, Mike. Now let's talk about grateful or thankful. This is when you appreciate something or someone.
I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for all of you watching this video.
I am grateful for coffee in the morning. I'm grateful for good friends. Being grateful is a beautiful feeling.
Another feeling is lonely. This is when you feel alone, even if people are around you.
I felt lonely when I moved to a new city and didn't know anyone.
That's very common. When you feel lonely, it's important to reach out to someone.
Let's also talk about confused. You feel confused when you don't understand something.
I feel confused when someone gives me complicated directions. I feel confused when I read instructions that don't make sense.
I feel confused when people speak too fast in English. That's why we speak slowly on this channel.
Another useful word is surprised. This is when something unexpected happens.
I was surprised when my friend threw me a birthday party. I was surprised when I got a promotion at work.
Surprises can be good or bad. A stronger word is shocked. This is for very big surprises.
I was shocked when I won the lottery. That would be amazing.
And finally, let's talk about relieved. You feel relieved when something you were worried about ends well.
I felt relieved when I found my lost phone. I felt relieved when the doctor said I was healthy. I felt relieved when my flight landed safely.
It's like a heavy weight is lifted from your shoulders.
Now let's practice some phrases to express emotions. There are many ways to say how you feel.
The most simple way is I am plus the emotion. I am happy. I am tired. I am nervous.
You can also say I feel plus the emotion. I feel sad. I feel excited. I feel grateful.
Is there a difference between I am and I feel?
I feel is sometimes seen as softer. I am angry is direct. I feel angry sounds a little gentler.
Good to know. Another phrase is I'm feeling plus the emotion. I'm feeling a little down today.
You can add words to show how strong the feeling is. I am a little tired. I am very happy. I am extremely excited.
Very and really means strong. Extremely means very, very strong.
Let me give examples. I am a little nervous about the meeting. I am very proud of you. I am extremely grateful for your help.
Perfect. You can also use kind of or sort of for softer feelings. I'm kind of tired. I'm sort of worried.
Another useful phrase is I'm feeling a bit. This is casual and common. I'm feeling a bit stressed.
Now let's practice asking about emotions. How do we ask someone about their feelings?
The most common question is, how are you feeling? Or how do you feel?
You can also ask, is everything okay? Or are you all right if someone looks upset?
Or what's wrong if someone seems sad or angry?
If someone looks happy, you can say, you seem happy today, or you look excited.
Let's practice with a short dialogue. Mike, pretend you are my friend. We meet for coffee.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, Mike. It's so good to see you. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm feeling a little tired, honestly. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, that's too bad. Why couldn't you sleep?
I was nervous about a presentation I have tomorrow at work.
I understand. That sounds stressful, but I'm sure you'll do great.
Thank you. That makes me feel a little better. How about you? How are you feeling?
I'm actually feeling really happy today. I got some good news.
Really? That's wonderful. What happened?
I found out my sister is having a baby. I'm so excited to be an aunt.
Congratulations. That's amazing news. You must be thrilled.
I am. I'm also feeling very grateful. Life is good right now.
That was great practice, Sarah.
See how natural it sounds? We used many emotion words in a normal conversation.
Before we finish, let's talk about some common mistakes.
Good idea. The first mistake is confusing bored and boring.
Yes, I am bored means you feel bored. I am boring means you are not interesting. Big difference.
The movie is boring means the movie is not interesting. I am bored of this movie means you don't find it interesting.
Another mistake is confusing excited and exciting.
Right. I am excited about the party is correct. I am exciting about the party is wrong.
The party is exciting. You are excited.
The same rule applies to interested and interesting, surprised and surprising.
Another mistake is using the wrong preposition. We say angry at or angry with someone. I am angry at my brother.
We say scared of something. I am scared of spiders, not scared from.
We say excited about something. I am excited about the trip.
And disappointed with or disappointed in. I am disappointed in myself.
Let's do a quick review of everything we learned.
We started with the 4 basic emotions: happy, sad, angry, and scared.
Then we learned related words. For happy, we have glad, pleased, cheerful, joyful, and excited.
For sad, we have unhappy, down, miserable, and heartbroken.
For angry, we have mad, furious, irritated, and upset.
For scared, we have afraid, frightened, and terrified.
We also learned nervous, anxious, tired, exhausted, bored, and curious.
And the complex emotions: frustrated, disappointed, embarrassed, proud, grateful, lonely, confused, surprised, shocked, and relieved.
That's a lot of words, but don't worry, you don't need to memorize them all at once.
Start with a few. Use them in sentences. Practice every day.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
We want to hear from you. Please answer this question in the comments below.
Our question is, how are you feeling right now, and why?
Write a sentence or two. For example, I am feeling happy because I am learning English. Or, I am feeling a little tired because I worked late.
We read every comment. We love seeing your progress.
And when you write in English, you practice. When you practice, you improve.
So please take 1 minute and write your answer now.
Thank you so much for watching today's video.
We hope you learned many new words to express your emotions.
Remember, it's okay to feel all kinds of emotions. Happy, sad, angry, scared. They are all part of being human.
The important thing is to talk about your feelings. When you can name your emotions, you understand yourself better.
And when you can express your emotions in English, you can connect with more people around the world.
Keep practicing. Keep learning. You are doing an amazing job.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Subscribe to Verbora English for more lessons like this every week.
Thank you for being part of our community. We are so grateful for each and every one of you.
We feel proud of you for taking time to improve your English today.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Take care and keep smiling.